Well, the fact remains undisputed that our confidence level is as high as Mount Everest. We are very confident that the processes will follow its normal course and then meet the 5th of October sacrosanct date for the proper election. The political parties are ready, are willing, have shown a lot of demonstrable efforts to prove to the world that the processes going on there is in tandem with our expectation. You can see the screening going on. All the chairmen and vice chairmen of the various political parties in Rivers State have assembled for screening, which commenced today for them. And so we are not in any doubt, we are not perturbed, we are not scared, we are not worried, because we know that these electoral processes will get to its peak come October 5th, 2024.
And you're very optimistic.
Well, you see, we must leave what is in the realms of the past to remain in the realms of the past. If you check carefully, since the administration of the present sitting humble and people's governor, His Excellency Sir Fubara, you agree with me that the political environment is balanced, is charged, is encouraging. You know, there are positive auras and vibes flowing in the political environment. Just because the man who is at the helms of affairs, the sitting governor, is the people's governor, and he is indulging on what the entire populace are happy and appreciative about. I'll give you one instance. It's on record today that for the first time since the creation of Rivers State, especially the advent of our democracy in 1999, that other political parties were considered and given political amenities to be members of the caretaker committees we have seen. And so if the governor is not people's governor or people's friendly governor, he will not do that. We have political parties who are in the caretaker committees across the 23 LGS of Rivers State today. And so that is a sign that the governor is an open-minded man. Secondly, we have retired justice, Honorable Justice Enebele, retired, a seasoned man, a man of the rule of law, a man who believes that we must follow due processes and procedures. He's heading this commission today, has given a lot of us confidence that he is not just out for a hanky-panky whatever, he's out to ensure that this election is midwifed. And we can also give you for free that if you look at the processes we have been through today, if you look at the turbulences, how some persons are trying to inhibit these electoral processes, and the man is sitting firm. He inspired courage in us when we met with him and interfaced with him. What he said, his candor, his poise and courage inspired us to believe that yes, he's ready to conduct a very transparent election. And in addition to that, like I've said earlier on, the present state governor is a man of the people. He's a man who is carrying everybody along. He's a man whose policies, programs are impacting on the people. He's a man whose political visions and doggedness is impacting on the people. You will never have seen political parties getting involved deeply in electoral processes or get involved in benefiting from political amenities. Another instance is the IPAC election that took place earlier this year. You see, for the first time in the history of the state, we saw an IPAC election that the state government did not determine who becomes the IPAC chairman. It was a very clean, free and fair electoral process and transparency we saw in it. And so these are indicators that the governor is in his magnanimity and wisdom, is an open-minded person. Is a man that wants naturalness to flow. Is a man that wants things to be the way it should be. Is a man that is carrying people along. Is a man that is down to earth when it comes to trying to interpret the ethics and pathos of governance in the state. And so IPAC believes that these processes will get to its optimum end. These processes will culminate on the 5th of October when we will have a free and fair election. And I strongly believe that local parties are directly involved, and parties are deeply involved. You can see over there, if it is a one-party affair, you won't see the persons you're seeing around here. Persons have voluntarily come out to participate in the electoral processes, and which means everybody is on the same page. And we are going to see a very free, fair, and transparent election in the state.